We ready for this?
I could use a restroom break.
And risk getting ID'd. You're an idiot.
You all ready? Let's go!
I can't believe I'm hitting a bank with you, Em. Everybody down, now!
Today's going one of two ways, friends. Everyone on the floor, now! You and you! Out! From behind the counter. That's it, hands in the air. Em, keep an eye on our trusted employee.
Okay, you got the crowd. Cops should be here soon, so keep an eye out.
The door's ready, Em. Come and kick it down.
On the floor!
Want to meet this alarm guy? Fucking shoot him.
Not if I get to him first.
Yeah.
Stay back! We got hostages!
Tell the sheriff the 211 is confirmed. We're gonna need everything we got down here.
Sheriff's here. We never could have beaten that response.
There's other ways of beating it.
Move it! Call up procedure!
You know you're surrounded, so you ain't getting a ride to the airport.
I don't care if they surrender. I'm killing me some bad guys.
Now let the hostages go, and, we'll talk like gentlemen.
Time to face the music.
Sweet.
Police chopper! Team, down the bird!
When the price of gas keeps on rising. I got a minigun, you humorless prick! Look out, it's coming down!
Incoming! Nice work, team.
Thank you! Now let's get the fuck out of here! Incoming!
What the hell is that? That's what I thought. We need to get out of here.
Easier said than done. The long wrestling together, you are no
Now you fools really been making a fucking mess out here. All right, this is it, man.
You okay?
I ain't dead yet. I'm on my way. Who else would be fucking this up? So I guess we shooting our way out of here. Hey, what about them? Out of the way! How many dudes they got in this private army? The bank robbers in the other direction! Clear out the way! Hear me? Who else would be fucking this up? You hear that gunfire? That's how I'm doing it. So I guess we're shooting our way out of here. Listen to the shooting. Being point they tough. Hey, what about them? It's scary over here too, man. Chill. Hey, man, these guys are every fucking where. Hey, I'm here. Hey, move.
There's the ride.
Get.
Go, 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 go! Fall back! Everybody down!
Ain't happened to the other guy.
He's in a better place!
Shit happens. Move on. Time to fucking dig her.
He's a humanitarian!
That tank don't look too friendly. Shit! That's that tank that flew over us! We gotta duck into that factory! The platform, let's go!
They're all over us!
This way, through the warehouse.
Stay behind me, kid. I got the armor. Use me as cover, Frank. You don't want to get out front.
What the?
Could be our only way out of here. Come on, the platform. Just hold them back.
There's no way out!
We ain't got long. It's getting heavy. We could have used an extra pair of hands about now. I didn't know Norm had a heart on for me when I hired him, okay?
Hey, they coming from the end of the warehouse.
Last call. Could be our only way out of here. Here we go. Right here. Get on. Ah. Ah. Fucking it.
Let's go. Yo. Easy, easy. I'm a friendly.
Agent Sanchez.
Our very own corrupt